Pasok tayo dahil ng ate-ate. Okay.
Bikuha mo na lang ako ha. Pagkain. Ito si Sylvia.
Ito Sylvia.
Ako lang mag-isa.
Opo. Okay, first game! Ang first game natin, ang prize, i-claim mo kay Ate Ann, okay? Okay. Parang natalo na siya. First game, 2-on-2 to ha, 2-on-2 mga kaibigan. May we now select 4 gentlemen. 4 gentlemen. My first gentleman, ang first player is Tito Onyong.
Yay!
Lalo Nestor pa.
Second player.
Ano na lang kaya ako?
Rocky. Rocky. Hello. Rocky. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Our third player. Third player is.
Second player ako.
No, not you. 4 gentlemen. Rocky.
Kuya Daniel.
Onyong. Titi Manny.
Kuya Mark! Kuya Jeff!
Where's Titi Manny?
Kayo lang tayo!
Oh no! Disqualified!
mo sa talong ni Tito Onyong. Tali mo yung talong.
Kasama sa game yan. Kasama sa game. Humabol ka dito. Mahirap. Okay. Paano? Nagbabox out yung dalawa. Okay. Yan. Bakit na matignan yan? Mag-chewin. Hindi mo pwede yan. Hindi mo ganda. Dito Onyong. Come on down. Come on. Oh, Daniel Apo. Sige, pakita mo. Ipakita mo ang kaya natin, mga apo.
Pakita mo kaya yung talong mo.
Wala na. Bawal sulipa ng talong, mga kaibigan. Sorry, Lola. Wala pa. Konti pa.
Ikot yan, ikot.
Good. Yan. Konti na lang din yan. Konti pa. Okay. Yan. Hilit mo. Bisa kasi magkailangan ihilid eh. Yan. Ihilid mo konti. Yan. Sa akin din. Yan. Dito mali eh. Isa lang to eh. Tapos to. Ang galing ni Rocky. Dito, relax mo. Sige, pakita mo. Dito, ang galing. Dito mali. Dito mali, sige po. Okay. Fight na po tayo mga kaibigan. Andito na po si Daniel. Isa pa lang, nandun na. Daniel! Dalawang ayuda lang pala ang kaya. Huwag masyado pakita.
Swing back! Swing! Ang lakas ng talong mo, boy!
Okay. Ang gagawin po natin, Tita Boy, at the 6 tayo pa konti. Kayo, harap sa audience. Hawak mo sa, hawak doon. Okay. Pero, hindi mo siya pwedeng hawakan. Dapat ako, nasa likod lang po na...
Kailangan may nakapigil.
Dapat pag ano yun.
Dapat dito yung camera.
Dito.
Andy.
Buns of steel.
Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Ulo lang ang hawak.
4 na lobo lang po. Okay. Pagputok po ng unang lobo, magpapalit po kayo. Dito Boy naman na nandun, si Ate Jakey naman ang babanat. Okay. The next thing you're gonna do is that you're gonna stand up, you change position, and then you bang Andy. Okay? When you bang Andy, and then Andy will change your place, and then bang again, and then we bang each other. Okay?
You can hold the balloon.
But no holding of balloons. Okay? Huh?
You can hold the balloon.
Oh, marami naman tayo.
So dapat makadalawa ka.
Hindi, apat. Bali, tag-apat. Okay?
Go, go!
Hands on the back of the leg.
No hands!
Hands on the back of the leg.
Ikaw pahawak. Ako mo to, ito yung sa'yo ah.
But if we see that there's nothing going on,
Basta ko walang dyan.
you have to hold the hips. Okay? You try to hold the hips of the other guy. Or girl. Okay? Are you ready? Kitchen set po ang nakataya dito, mga kaibigan.
Puro tatlo, pasa-pasa yun.
Okay. Ate lang ikaw mag-ano sa mga dumapan. Para ready na. Pwede ba ano? Mark, ibang music medyo ano?
Hindi ko sila
Play mo, play. Play mo.
Side kayo. Rock. Kulay pa side ako, di para
Eh, ikaw na lang mag-video.
Eh, dalawa eh.
Hindi pa rin. Hindi. Yan na lang.
Ako sa'yo.
Yung ganyan.
Yan, Rock, baba ka na lang. Para kita sila.
Yung kaya mo.
It's been a long
Ano, Mark? Libag mo.
Baka tumama mo ka.
Tuloy. PJ.
Hindi, dapat talaga.
Ready na sila? Okay, patayin na the music. Ready na sila. Ready, get set, go! Music! Lola, this is all for you. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Palakpakan po natin ang aming marunayang inamulari. Siyempre, nakarungan nila ako. I got my sisters and me. We are there running. Our audience, please stand up. Our audience, stand up. Stand up. Come on. family. Let's go. To the king. Our sisters and everybody. This is it. Our sisters and me. Shake it, chicken. I didn't see. Okay, come on. And then take it there. Sisters and me, we are family. Please go to Lola and for picture taking. Come on, please go to Lola with your mask on. With the outfit, very nice.
Dancers! 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 Let's walk in the corner.
Ito nyo, taas. Careful ha, may tubig din ha. Perfect. Perfect, ganda. Thank you guys. Thank you for... Oh, peanuts sa tubig ha. Peanuts. Salamat, salamat. Good job, good job.
Dance, dance, dance. Woo! Oh yeah.
It's not there. Put it back. Put it back.
Put it back in the cookout.
Okay, okay. Cook out. Roll it, okay? Roll. Some more, roll. Yeah. Roll some more. Put it in the middle. Roll some more. Roll.
You have to squeeze it.
No, not so much. Hold the stick. Not so much.
It's ready.
It's ready. Go ahead.
Thanks, ready?
Take off the stick.
Oh, it's ready. Come on.
Let's eat it.
Wow.
It's good.
Ang dami mo ng uling.
Okay, twirl, twirl, twirl. I love my mom. You love mom very much. I love you too, photo. Okay, flying kiss. Look, photo. Whoa. There you go. Okay, mommy too, mommy too. Photo, look at me. Oh, look at us. Mommy and daughter. Hi. Hello. Hi, Photo. Hi. Can I give you a hug? I love hugs. Kiss, kiss. See you later, Photo. See you later. Bye.